my smoke alarm doesn't work. As you can see, it's green light, mains powered, but in a minute you will see the red light come on and it will alarm. To silence, you press that button and it should stay like that for 10 minutes, but it's going to alarm again and now you can't turn it off. So, pressing this button here, ripping the battery out, will silence it. But now you've got a US smoke alarm and we need to change it. Unfortunately, it's connected to the mains power here and you've got a removable battery, like I said. This is the model number. We'll be changing this. Join me on the next vid.